welcome to 2019 and Pixel XL 2. Stay with me, I'm gonna give you a couple of reasons why in 2019 it's the right time to buy a Pixel XL 2. And the first and the more important reason is the price. The price for Pixel XL 2 in United States is about $400 which is a great price. The price in UK it's about £400, which is a great price as well. And don't forget that this is Pixel XL 2 from 2017. This was one of the best flagships from 2017. You get a 6-inch of display, which is a great. You get a 12 megapixel camera, 4 gigabytes of RAM, plus the battery is 3500, which is a pretty good size. And you get the best of Google. You get the clean, nice operation system with no bloatware, no heavy apps. Everything runs smoothly, which in my opinion this is the more important thing. You know, you don't want like a very heavy skin. Plus this is a pure Android, there's no skin on the top, so you get a lot. Plus and you get the camera, you get the best of Google. You get the camera, which is 12 megapixel. You can do 4K videos, 30 frames per second, which is amazing. And if you need a smartphone camera that is the best quality, even it's very close to DSLR, which is amazing. Plus you have the nice side, which is fantastic for nice shots. Let me know if you want to see some comparison, some videos of the Pixel XL 2. Probably I'm gonna do that later on. Leave that in the comments down below if you want to see some comparison, nice shots, and so on. But yeah, Pixel XL 2 is a great smartphone. So that's why I recommend it in 2019. Plus the price is completely good. It's dropping massively due to the Pixel XL 3 and Pixel XL 3a, and now we have leaks of Pixel XL 4, which is quite early, but hey, nevertheless it's good. So that's why I recommend Pixel XL 2 in 2019. Plus you'll be first for updates, and it's a great smartphone, so that's why I recommend it. I experience really good stuff with this smartphone. You know, it's fast. You have a fast charge as well. You can charge your smartphone 30 minutes. You get like 60%, which is pretty good. Plus, I don't think there's any problems. You know, most people complain there's no headphone jack. Okay, I understand that, but now most of flagships they don't have headphone jack. Plus, it's waterproof as well. Well, it's not waterproof, but it's like splash resistance. It's a great smartphone. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. My name is Stefan. Let me know if you want to see some comparison of the Pixel XL 2. I will do that with love. So I wish you a beautiful day, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.